Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal in GCash. First, ensure both your PayPal and GCash accounts are fully verified. Next, open your GCash app and navigate to the Cash In section. Select the PayPal option and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Finally, you can easily transfer funds between the two platforms. This guide will help you manage your finances efficiently and securely. Before you begin, it's crucial to verify both your PayPal and GCash accounts completely. Make sure your GCash account is linked to an active mobile number for security. Have your PayPal login details ready, including your email and password. Also, be mindful of the daily and monthly transaction limits, which can vary but are typically set to prevent fraud and ensure secure transfers for all users. To link your accounts, open the GCash application on your mobile device. Tap on the Cash In option, usually found on the main dashboard. From the list of available methods, choose PayPal. You will then be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your credentials to authorize the connection. Once successful, your PayPal account will be securely linked to your GCash wallet, ready for transactions. With your accounts linked, transferring funds is straightforward. In the GCash app, select Cash In and then PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, ensuring it's within your limits. Confirm the transaction, and the funds should reflect in your GCash wallet within minutes. Remember, standard transfers usually incur zero fees, making it a cost-effective option for managing your digital money with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.